This is kitchenette that we installed for Sarah and Shell. Seeing better. There's cabinets there. And shelving. Shelving behind the sink. Under the sink. This is under the sink. And there's some shelving back there. Little stool seat, I don't know, step stool, countertop over the heater. Torch light. Another countertop. Another little shelf cabinet. A little cabinet underneath this one here. Opening drawer things. This little refrigerator. The client is always right. They tell you build. Boiler's gonna probably get replaced or moved under the stairs. Not sure. Just have someone else do that. Under the stairs. Closet. Wait. Off.